Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a lovely day. So I know it's been a hot minute since I filmed anything. Really guys, I've been a mess. I can't even lie. I've just been stressed and just tired and just not with it. So I apologize. It's been a few weeks of no videos, but I've just been a mess, you guys. But I'm slowly coming out of my little funk and I'm hoping to just be back at it and start, you know, making more content for you guys. Today's just gonna be a super quick video. I just came back from shopping. Me and my cousin Tana went shopping with Aiden, which was so much fun. I didn't vlog it, so I should have, but like I didn't. I don't know, it was just a chill day. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the Teami tea that I've been taking now for the past 16 days. So I'm like a little bit over halfway through right now and I really like it. Like, I always add lemon into the tea to make it taste a little bit better. I've been taking, what was it, the skinny tea and also the colon tea because it was a 30-day detox, and guys, like, it's actually been working. So this is what the colon tea looks like. It comes in this little like these little cute bags. And then I've been having the skinny tea. So this is like literally how much is left in here for the next 15, oh my god, my math. For the next 15 days or so. But you guys, I just thought I'd give you an update and say I love it. It's working for me. My bloat's going down significantly every single day. Like, I just get bloated with anything every single day. But I'll show you guys a picture of what my tummy looks like right now, which is pretty cute. I like it. But literally, it's like also been helping with like my energy levels because like I'm detoxing, I'm getting all these toxins out, so that's been helping. But I've still just been like blah, which is why I wasn't filming. But I'm back, you guys. I am back and I'm not going anywhere. So I just thought I'd give you that quick little update. So I've got 15 more days and then I will be done by the end of December. I still drink my tea every single day, colon tea every other day, but I'm excited. I also wanted to show you guys something really cute that I got during Black Friday sales. I got some cute little bags and I literally just got them in the mail today, and I thought, you know what, I'll tell you guys about my tea and how it's going, and then I'll also show you guys some bags and stuff, and I don't know, we can just chit chat over that and catch up because it's been a minute. So I'll just open the bags and show you guys what they are. I've been meaning to get this bag for the longest time, so I'm super excited to show you guys what this. Also, I'm going away on a girls trip in a few weeks to Sydney, so it came just in time for that because it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be fun. Because this belt is actually quite long. Look, it's so cute. You can wear it up the front. How cute is that? Oh, that's what the belt looks like. I guess you could have it at the back. Okay, this is super cute. I absolutely love this, and I think you can also, if you wanted, you could have it, well, as a proper bum bag and just tighten it up and have it right on your waist like a proper bum bag. On the side, you can have it on the side. Oh, it's still cute. It's like a little belt. Okay, I love this. I absolutely love this, you guys. Like, literally, do you guys like this? Like, I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna be wearing this everywhere. everywhere. It's so cute. Okay, I really love this. I'm absolutely in love with this bag. Like, do you guys like it? It is so cute. Ah! It is adorable. Oh my god. Okay, so yes, this is adorable. This is a yes for sure. One day I'll get my Louis, but for now this is amazing. Okay, so let's open the one I've been so excited about since forever. I've literally been asking Mark for this bag for the longest, and I finally got it. It was on sale on Iconic, and it was like you couldn't pass it by, so I had to get it. And I just want to show it to you guys because like I'm super excited. Like I'm gonna be wearing this bag everywhere in the city. Oh, look how cute that is. A little something to celebrate. Aw, $25 off. Trying to make me go shopping again. Okay, let's have a look. This is exciting. I forgot I bought some other stuff. I bought some like tops and stuff, but okay, that's not what this is for, okay? This is about this. Oh my god. Okay. You guys can already see what it is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. How cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's just rip everything and open it. Oh, this color though. Oh my god, do you guys like this color? I love this color. What color is this? I can't remember what it was. It's a French grey multi. Absolutely love this. It was literally between this or like the cream one, but I like the belt that this one came with, and I'll just show you guys what it looks like. Oh. Look at that gold hardware, you guys. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like more little cute gold details. Oh, it says Marc Jacobs. And it says it just on top as well. Oh, it's super cute. Side, and I think this is the dust bag for it. Yes, dust bag. This is a cute little dust bag. Oh, okay, this is cute, you guys. I love this. Okay, I'm in love. I absolutely love this bag. The strap is to die for. The gold details on it. I love that. Like, that is just so cute. I literally have been dying for this bag. I feel like it's a good color. I feel like it's gonna go with everything, but I almost want it in the cream one as well now. I'm like, I kind of want the cream one as well. And you know what? I didn't think there'd be a lot of room, because it didn't look like there'd be a lot of room, but there's actually like quite a fair bit of room in there. But I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm so in love with it, you guys. It's like an early Christmas present to myself. Okay. I'm so excited. I just wanted to make a video to show you guys. I usually don't make purchases like this and I show you guys, but I was actually pretty excited about this bag because I've been wanting it for a hot minute. So yeah, this is the bag, you guys. I'm going to be wearing it crossbody because I absolutely love it like this. I guess you can also wear it like shoulder as well, like that still looks cute. But I definitely be doing it like crossbody. I love a good crossbody bag, but do we love it? Do we absolutely love it, guys? But yes, you guys, that is it for my video. I'll keep updating you guys about that tea that I'm taking, but how exciting. Like, you guys, do you like this bag? Like, I love them. I've never been so excited about a bag in my life. I just wanted to show you guys and like share the excitement with you guys because these last few weeks have just been horrid. But anyways, I hope you guys like those bags. I hope you guys like this video, and I'm back, you guys. Sorry I've been away, but I hope you guys are doing well, and I can't wait to see you guys next week. So give it a thumbs up, let me know what you guys think about the bags, and I will see you guys later. Bye.